G'day guys, welcome back to Simple Homebrew. I am out and about today, going to do a little bit of a tasting later on. I am in Erica. Erica is a little historic town near my area of the world, and I've just come across this. It looks like collections of memories of a railway era. And it's just amazing. I didn't know this existed. This little town is very historical. As you can see, there's some major old buildings in the distance there, and just people live here. This is their home. Here we go, let's have a look. Some very historic signage. Giant picture of a train. Obviously, I don't know if it was part of this place, but it's pretty reminiscent of a train station. Someone lives here. How cool is this place? Someone has a real taste in old Erica. Even the door looks big rail, Erica. Big old red booth for a phone. And funny enough, there's a phone booth over on the other side of. Look at that, it's even got a phone in it. Look at that. That'd be awesome. Beware of trains. There's no trains, of course. Just walk this way and have a look. There's a sign here that says Hintley Street, Erica to Thompson Rail Trail, Moore Street to Rawson. So there must be an Erica to Thompson Rail Trail down this way. Might try and ride that one day. And we'll just go for a bit of a walk around the town. Have a look at this place. It's an old rustic place. It's I saw it from a distance, so I thought I'd come up and have a look. Looks like an old school. It looks like it had a sign there. Old school or a police? Nah. Doesn't look like anyone lives here now. Would love to explore that one. How is it, hey? This guy's so nice. This place has been around since what? Did I say 1840? So a couple of hundred years nearly. Not the house, but the town. It looks like, I don't know. I reckon it was an old school. It could have been an old school. Because this sign here, wouldn't that be a sign to say, like, Erica Primary School or something like that? Or, I don't know. Cop shop? Could have been a cop shop?
Yeah, good true.
So here we are at Erica. And I told you I'd be doing out and about videos again. I'm really glad I did. This place is actually quite entertaining for a couple of hours. You can walk around, have a look at some historical places. And I dropped into the Erica pub and grabbed myself 6 of these little rippers, 5 aces. These are a kind of a local company. Family owned and operated, proudly producing small batch craft beers. 5 Aces Brewing Company combines a passion for great beer with local sentiment that complements our Gippsland heritage. Brewed by 5 Aces Brewing Co., Neerim South. It's a lager, 4.9% alcohol volume. I'm glad I bought it because I went there. I think I shared you footage. If I didn't, here it is. Do you want to have a look? Or? Oh, you pay for it? Yeah. Sorry. This is, do you want me to carry that? Or you're right? No. Look at the old tables.
Yeah.
All the old retro.
Chairs. Toilet. Oh yeah, out back.
Out back, keep going. More out back.
Oh,
look at the old dirty old truck. How cool is that?
Look at the band goes on.
Yeah, little stage. Nice little hot fireplace around the band area.
Got a skeleton in the top.
That need to turn off on me. Nice big live stage for the bands. This is awesome. Now, Baw Baw. This is like a TARDIS. You look at the front door and there's almost nothing to show. This is 5 Aces. Nice little bar, just outdoor bar. Can we hold that? Got it? Yep. So I'm at the 5 Aces Brewery in Neerim South, and I'm loving it. Looking really good out here. Everywhere you go, you see the heads. That's where to make a levy. Oh yeah? Red IPA. Electronic system. All right, we shall pour it. Now these glasses, my daughter gave them to me. She had a whole bunch of them sitting at home, and said to me, "Dad, I've got a heap of glasses at home. They're probably good for your craft beer. Would you like them?" And I went, "Of course I will." So I bought some stickers. And I placed them on the glass. So they're now my simple homebrew tasting glasses that I use in my shed and I keep in there. In the future, I might do some merch. If you guys have any suggestions, it does cost a bit and it's hard to find quality stuff. I tried it already with hats and t-shirts and they haven't been great. So if you have any idea where I can get some quality merch that I can make that you guys may be interested in buying, let me know. Just trying to promote Simple Home Brew a bit more, get it out there so I can kind of make a bit more of a hobby of it, have it pay a little bit of what I'm doing now. So looking at it, I did clean this glass by the way. Rich, it's got a kind of a synthetic smell. I don't know if that's a word for beer. I think it's got something to do with the wheat that gets put into it. It gives me that smell. I'm not a big wheat beer fan. Now I've got a video coming up from the Igulu system that has I've just done a wheat beer. And I'm going to taste that one very, very soon. Or I've already done it. If I've done it, I'll leave a link here for it here. All right, let's try it. Sweet smell, smells lagery. No yeasty smell or anything like that. It's actually quite standard as a beer smell. Not bad. The colour is very cloudy, so it's definitely craft. It's got that wheat taste to it too. Kind of a burnt rustic taste. It's not bad. It's not a bad beer at all. I'm very happy with it. Very tasty. And I bought this beer from the local pub here, and they were quite nice people. So cheers, guys. Thanks for watching this. I'll leave you with more video on the Township. Cheers. Now Erica is the gateway to the Mount Baw Baw mountains for the snow season, and you can hire your chains here when the snow season begins. It's obviously not a petrol station anymore. I wonder if it's still running.
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah, no, they wouldn't have any fuel here now. All right, we're heading to the Erica Hotel. Gonna get some beers, I think. I met Katie, who owns the place, and they're redoing this place and doing it up and making a beautiful little pub. I've never been there and I really love it. And it seems to be something that's going to be big, and hopefully the people around will support people trying to rebuild and make something work for themselves.